in a chair and your titties touching the back of another chair, your ass is big. If you got your legs crossed, but you can only cross them at the ankles, your ass is big. If you go to the store to buy your clothes and the tag in the back got a number and a letter, and that letter is an X, that ain't Muslim wear, your ass is big. Now where all the big women at? Come on, clap. See there, we picked up 10 more that time.
Ain't so big when you put it in, make it sound like the Lion and the Wizard of Oz. Take it out, I need courage. I'm looking around the room, some of you men ain't never heard that sound before. That's all right, let me give you a sound you might have heard.
Only if you mean it. I can be aggressive. I can be a savage. I just need your blessing. Say that